we're in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit down in Hilton Head at the Players Club Resort. And we're taking a look now at the entire main part of the unit, relatively small. The kitchen and refrigerator unit over there. And as we come around this way, we have the dining room area, which is at the other end of the kitchen on it, and the guest bedroom here, which has two beds in it and a very large wall mirror on it. There's a closet in here. Not overly big, but I guess adequate. And I wouldn't call it big screen TV, but it is TV.
They're all chipped up and painted and varnished.
And this is Greg and Alice, two of our friends who are enjoying these spacious accommodations. The TV unit over here. And Virginia fluffing up the pillows on the bed in the master bedroom. Pan around here and you can see a little bit bigger TV in the room, but substantially smaller than the one in the living room. We have a small closet off to the side. I can't really get back enough to show it adequately. That's about it. And this is the shared bathroom area. So I think that about wraps it up. I'll pop outside and take a look at the patio, and we're adjacent to the swimming pool. All right, you can hear our air conditioner unit running in the background, but we're on the first floor, and that is the patio area. And I'll walk over here briefly and give you a look-see at the pool area. Very nice pool. And we'll kind of pan around the area here. But that's our accommodations here at Players Club.